Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to enter data in Tally ERP 9. First, you'll want to open your company from the gateway of Tally. This is your starting point for all accounting activities. Make sure your financial period is correctly set, typically from April 1 to March 31, to ensure accurate record keeping. This initial step is crucial for seamless data management. Next, you'll create essential ledgers, which are the backbone of your financial records. From the gateway of Tally, go to Accounts Info, then Ledgers, and select Create. You'll need ledgers for every customer, supplier, and expense. Remember to classify each ledger correctly, for example, placing a customer under sundry debtors. Tally ERP 9 provides two default ledgers, cash and profit and loss account. Now, let's move on to recording your daily transactions using accounting vouchers. Tally ERP 9 offers various voucher types, such as Sales F8 for sales entries and Payment F5 for payments. When entering a sales voucher, you'll specify the party's account, the sales ledger, and details like item quantity and rate. After filling in all the necessary information, simply press Ctrl+A to save your entry. Finally, Tally ERP 9 allows you to generate crucial financial reports. From the gateway of Tally, navigate to Display, then select Balance Sheet or Profit and Loss Account. You can press F12 to configure these reports, choosing to view them in a detailed format or with percentages. These reports provide a clear snapshot of your company's financial performance and position, helping you make informed business decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.